always loved this photo of them.
Mm-hmm.
They were so beautiful.
I forget how much your eyes are like your dad's.
Same tired eyes.
Boy, please stop.
All right, now. I'm going to go ahead and get dressed. I'll see y'all in an hour.
Okay, Berna.
See you in a bit.
Wow. I mean, you really think this is going to stop them from arguing, though?
Nope.
Well,
but it may delay them enough for me to get a word in edgewise.
We should go over the plan.
We've gone over the plan 50 times now.
We are going to do our introductions game and then play a few other get-to-know-you games and wear everybody out. Then
Melanie,
bring up the...
Stop.
I am just not interested in any fuss today.
No one's gonna fuss.
They are really...
We got a tight schedule. We got a game day plan. I need you to just trust me on this.
Oh, okay. Oh, fine. Just keep that margarita away from me. I'm serious.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. You're a mess.
Sorry, Ray. I just have to say, this just isn't what we're used to, you know? Dad always kept a light social setting. This feels so, robotic and formalized. Well, yes, Dad had a...
Excuse me. Hold on, Margarita. I mean, I don't remember you offering to help create this light social setting, or did I just miss your call?
I couldn't imagine you wanting my help with how y'all like to control everything.
Well, somebody has to take control. If it was up to you and Roland, we wouldn't see each other until another family member dropped dead.
It may happen sooner than you think with that attitude.
No, let me go. You know what? Okay. All right.